Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey y'all.
If you're new here, I'm Cheryl.
I'm Aaron.
And we're Avery Street Design Studio.
Yep.
So we're back today for another quick and easy Wednesday video.
These are getting to be we're in the groove, y'all.
Yes.
Knocking them out.
Today is thing we're gonna make is something really cute. It's a little house planter.
Yep.
It's a little planter that has a little roof like a house. And you can hang it on the wall. You could hang it outside. It's going to be made out of cedar, so it'll hold up to the weather good, and it's really cute.
Yep.
So
we're gonna revisit Christmas project, our little nativity scene.
Yeah.
This just so happens to be the same exact shape as the house planter.
Yes.
So we're gonna incorporate a past project with a new project.
Yep,
so pretty easy. We got some scraps laying around. We're gonna make it out of.
Yep.
Ready to do it.
Let's get started.
Let's go. Okay, we are going to start cutting up the pieces for our little planter box. The box itself is 11 inches long, 5 inches wide, 4 inches tall. And we've got a scrap piece of cedar we're going to use for the long sides. You can see the pile there that we're going to dig into for the other stuff. So I'm going to cut these at 11 inches. And we're going to cut the end pieces at 4 inches. And we're going to rip these down to 4 inches wide. So we've got our parts cut. Now we're just gonna make the box. Super easy. We're just gonna use some glue and some staples. That piece is a little bowed. We'll just have to sand it.
Ooh, that cedar's pretty on the front.
Yep. Cedar is really pretty wood.
It is. That will be the front.
Yep.
And it smells good too.
It does. Alright, we've got the box made. Now we need to cut a piece to fit down for the bottom. Alright, we've got our bottom cut and put down inside there. I'm just going to staple it in. Alrighty. Okay, we're making the little house frame that goes up and around the box. I'm cutting 2 pieces, 8.5 with a 45-degree on one end of each one. So from the long point of the 45 to the 90-degree cut, it's 8.5. And then I need 1 piece 9 inches long and 1 piece 10 inches long with no angles on them. Alright. Okay, we're going to start by attaching the 2 angled pieces to the bottom and the back edge of the box. And put a little bit of glue on that one. A little glue on that one. And we're going to nail the 10-inch piece over the edge of the 9-inch piece. And we'll set it on top of the 2 angled pieces. And staple it in. Sorry. Alright, there's our little house box. I've cut a little piece that's 3.5 inches from the long point of the 45 to the square end. We're going to put that on as a little chimney. I should have attached this before I put the thing together, but I didn't. So, there you go.
Very cute. That's the back.
Turn around. There's the front. That's the easiest project ever.
All right, guys, here is the finished product. I think it's really cute.
Hang on, we got glue running. There we go.
Well,
now it's
Aaron always
perfect.
uses too much glue, you guys, but anyways. You could even line it this with plastic if you wanted, so water wouldn't leak out. You could put fake flowers in it, fake greenery, put it inside, stain it, paint it, but
Leave
this
it
is really
bare.
pretty cedar, so we're gonna leave it natural.
Yeah.
I like it. This will probably go outside.
Yep.
This could also be a bird feeder.
Okay. Yeah.
Multi-use here.
Or squirrels.
Or squirrels, yeah, you could hang that on your fence and put seed in
Yeah,
there.
the one we saw had a piece of rope like looped right here for a hanger.
Yep.
Or you could put like
The
a eye hook.
Yeah, or the sawtooth back here. I saw one that had that. But these sell for about $25 on Etsy.
Yep.
Couldn't have been an easier project.
This literally took us 10 minutes to make.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could build this by myself. I don't build a whole lot. I do most finishing, but I I can build a little bit.
Yeah, she could do this one real easy.
Yep. So
it didn't have $3 worth of wood in it.
No. And to turn, a couple bucks into $25, that's a really good profit.
These are the kind of things you guys need to add to your stores, whether it's your Etsy store, your website, or craft. This would be awesome for a craft show. You could bring 100 of those.
Craft show, yeah. These little things really add up to be a big profit. And like we've told you in past videos, not everybody has money to buy big items.
Right.
So if you do a craft show, make sure you include smaller priced things because as Matthew Peach calls them, smalls.
Smalls. Way to go, Matthew.
Matthew Peach. Shout out Matthew Peach.
Word.
Anyways, they do sell. They sell really quick because a lot of people don't have a lot of money, but they still want to buy something. So
yeah, you could sell 20 of these and make $450 in a day, or you could sell one thing that takes you 3 days to build and not make $450.
And if you have any realtor friends, you could put an arrangement in there and give it to them as a gift to keep in their office.
Yeah.
I happen to have a realtor friend, so there you go. But yeah, that was really quick and easy and fun. So that's it.
Yep. Hope you guys like it.
Yep.
You should check it out. Try to build one. It's super easy.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, if you please would, that helps us out a lot.
It does.
And like the video and share.
Yeah.
That helps us out so much.
It does. You guys are helping us grow with all the viewing and all the sharing. We really appreciate it.
And thank you for all the wonderful comments everybody gives us all the time. It's just so nice. Everybody has been so kind. We really appreciate it.
We love you all back.
Yes. We'll see you next time.
We will. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.